This Berkshire Hathaway HomeServices Florida Realty property video is presented by Michelle D'Amico. Welcome to Garden Cove, a charming 55-plus community offering relaxed, low-maintenance Florida living in the heart of Fort Myers. This 2-bedroom, 1.5-bath home is full of potential and provides a wonderful opportunity to make it your own with a few personal updates and finishing touches. With low maintenance fees, this is an affordable way to enjoy the Southwest Florida lifestyle you've been dreaming of. Garden Cove residents enjoy a friendly, welcoming atmosphere with access to a community pool, perfect for soaking up the sunshine, meeting neighbors, and unwinding year-round. The community also offers a variety of planned events and activities, making it easy to stay active and connected. Ideally located just minutes from shopping, dining, medical facilities, and entertainment, plus a short drive to Fort Myers' beautiful Gulf beaches, this home is perfectly positioned for everyday convenience and easy coastal living. Whether you're looking for a seasonal retreat or a full-time residence, this is a fantastic opportunity to enjoy comfort, community, and carefree living in paradise. For more information, review the details below or contact Michelle D'Amico at 239-985-8408.